I watched Conjuring late night. I thought there would be less people watching around this time, but there were many. So brave of me to watch that alone. Nakakamiss din to watch a late night movie. Nakakatuwa naman. Yes, here, Odeon. It's been a long time since the last time I watched a cinema. Big screen. You know, ang shop close na. It's nice. Para maiba naman yung routine ng buhay. Sarado ng Burger King. Nakakatuwa naman. Actually, may membership sila dito sa movie cinema. Parang 16 euro. I think 15.99 to be exact. 16 euro monthly. Then, you can watch the cinema unlimited. Even kahit ikaw mag-isa. Pero ayoko naman magbayad regular kasi sometimes hindi ka naman makakapanood or there's nothing much of a good movie talaga. Ayan. Wala na talagang tao pero this time hintayin na lang muna ako ng transpo ko. Balik muna ako sa loob. Medyo breezy and coldy na rin. So yun na, kakatuwa. It's nice to be out again to watch late night movie. Ganito din naman dito sa Ireland.